In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app. It's already on your device in Tools folder. When you find it, click on it. I have mine here. And click on red button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used it before, select Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Now to pause or unpause your recording, use the same button. To get rid of it right away, hit Cancel at the top left corner and tap on Don't Save in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, click on left button. To add a photomark, right one. Take a pic. Discard it thanks to this X and add it thanks to this checkmark. Now to save your recording, hit Save at the top right corner and name it. Then you need to select Save in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my recording is here. To manage it, you can hold it and use all of those options at the bottom. To play it, click on it. Then use all of those options to manage it as well. You can add a bookmark and photomark while listening. You can also delete all your marks by clicking on those three dots next to the chosen one and hitting delete, or hide them by clicking marks here. Tap on this icon at the bottom left corner next to manage those options like skip silences. You need to tap on Done at the top left corner of this pop-up to save your changes. Now to edit your recording, hit those scissors at the bottom right corner. And now manage it however you want to. For example, I want to remove this part, so I have to pick it, hit remove, and wait. Wherever you did, hit save at the top right corner. Name your altered recording and tap on save here. Now you will have to. You can click on this icon at the top right corner to enable or disable this mode, and also tap on those three dots right next to it to manage those options, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!